Hey girlies, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a video where I'm going to style pieces from Revolve from you. So I want to try to start sharing more retailers. I obviously love my Abercrombie, my Lululemon. I've been doing some Aloe, but I do want to branch out and try some other retailers. So I did buy a few things from Revolve, and by few I mean 3. It is more of a pricier site, but if you guys aren't familiar with Revolve, they have their own collaboration pieces, but you can get like Adidas, Free People, Aloe. You can get different brands on their site. So I went ahead and picked up 3 new pieces that I'm going to share with you and style with you. I'm going to throw in some other pieces that you could purchase at Revolve, and even though I didn't, they're available on the site right now. If you guys are new, my name is Carrie, and I do a lot of try-on hauls, outfit inspiration, but we're just gonna get right on into the haul. First look, I'm wearing the Golde Riley crop jeans. I've actually had these in my closet for a while. I really, really like them. I think they're 26, but I'll have all sizing down below and everything will be linked under the outfit number. But they're really good, like crop straight jean that isn't like too cropped, and I'm 5'7" for reference. I just got in something new. I just got in are these sandals, and they're really pretty. You can see. I love the braided detail. It is so good. I got them in a size 8, and my true size is an 8.5, but I tend to get an 8 in slides because I do have a narrow foot except for my toe box because I've got like the bunion forming, but the left is completely fine. The right, when I first put it on, was kind of snug, but as I've put the shoes on a couple times to film different things, it doesn't even bother me anymore. I think it's going to be completely fine. They are a little bit like noisy, you know how sandals can be, but I think I'm going to hang on to them. Let me know what you think. And then this tank is actually not Revolve. I just picked this up at Nordstrom, but it's the only item I got besides lip gloss at Nordstrom, so I just threw it in with this haul. I really wanted a cropped stripe top. It is so cute. I wanted a like striped tube top. It is cropped. I would prefer if it was a little bit longer to tuck in like my Abercrombie tube tops. It's really cool is it has like, the Abercrombie ones don't have this, but it's got that like, you know, that like rubbery part so that it's going to stay up, which I love because the Abercrombie ones tend to fall down. I just have my little nippy covers on with it, but yeah, I'm loving stripes right now if they're black, white, and cream. Like if that's the color combo, then I'm liking them. I picked up this tank top from Revolve. I really like it. It's super simple. I'm loving black and white right now. Black and white is just timeless. It's all year round. This is definitely more of a nighttime look for this time of year. But this tank has adjustable straps, so I've got them pulled up pretty high. I just have my nippy covers on, and then it tucks in really good, so you don't have to worry. I do obviously have like really high jeans on as well. These are a pair of Abercrombie jeans, and then these heels are also available at Revolve. They're Jeffrey Campbell, so you can get them at different retailers, but I love them. I've had these for years. They are so good. I actually want to get them in black and silver, I think, because they're just the perfect heel. Like they're low, they're strappy, they stay on your foot. You can walk a lot in them. Just so incredibly comfortable. I'm gonna pop up another way that I would style this tank with some trousers, just for a different look. So kind of like a denim look, a trouser look for this tank. Then I wear a handbag. I'd use my Jackie, especially because I feel like, again, this is a nighttime look. But I'll give you just a closer look of the tank. It does have a little bit of a ribbed detailing and just very nice. If I wanted to pull it out just to show you the length, that's how long it is. So again, just a great tank for tucking in, and you can just style it so many different ways. I have this long sleeve tee. This is by Aloe. I love Aloe. Their pieces are so good. But what I love about this tee is that you can totally wear it as activewear or just style it with jeans like I did. So I've worn this with like workout shorts, like going for a long walk. But I just feel like it also looks so cute with these jeans. And then I went ahead and just did some like a straw bag and straw shoes just to kind of bring it into spring and summer a little bit. Again, this would be like another good nighttime look. Like I feel like this would be such a cute date night look if you're comfortable with showing a little bit of skin. But if you wear high-waisted jeans, like you're not seeing much at all. But yeah, I love this top. It is so good. And it's like, it's not hot. It's like cooling. I love long sleeve things. Like if something is long sleeve and fitted, it needs to have like a cooling effect and not be like really thick and heavy, you know, for me here in Florida. And this is perfect. Been on the hunt for a vest. A black vest, a cream vest, a white vest. I had bought like a denim one from Abercrombie and I returned it. I wasn't crazy about it. It was more like the sizing though. But I picked this one up from Revolve. It's by the brand Steve Madden. I got it in a small and I think it's perfect because first I was worried it's a little bit too big. Kind of see like my bra a little bit on the side. But if I size down, it would definitely be way too small. Nothing is adjustable. It just literally the 3 buttons in the front. But I kept it really simple. I still had the same jeans on. It's just like an extra button or something. Oh. Okay, just a bag. I kept the same jeans on, have my Jackie bag, and then these are a newer pair of slides in my closet. They're by the brand Sam Edelman. You can also get these at Revolve, and they come in, I want to say they come in like a pink and a green, but I just got this like champagne color. I sized down to an 8. They are so good. I've worn them out a couple times already. They are so incredibly comfortable. They also come in black, but with the black ones, like the little logo piece on here is silver and it like stands out too much. And they also come in a heel, which I think is really cute too. So if you want a heel version, I will link those for you as well. But yeah, I am loving this. Okay, this is definitely a piece I'm going to have fun styling. This tank by Free People is so cute. It's a cable sweater knit tank. Perfect piece for right now, I feel, especially at night as well. But it's an extra small, and look how it fits. Like, that's all my bra. So if it was simply like bra up, that would be so perfect. So like my mom is really good at sewing, so I could ask her to just bring it up. Or like, how else, what would I do? Give me suggestions down below. Like, should I just let it go, get rid of it? Should I have my mom bring it up? Or is there like some other way I should style it that I don't know about? But it's just like, it's so big for an extra small. Like, I don't understand how you're supposed to wear it. But other than that, it's like really super cute. I have these denim shorts also by Free People. They're also like very large and they're an extra small. So they're obviously supposed to have this look. They're rolled up, but they're stitched on the side. So you can't really like change that unless you unstitch it. But I don't know. I just put the black tank back on, but like, what do you guys think? Do we like them or do they look ridiculous? Honest truth. Because I honestly feel like I could go either way. Like, it almost gives like a skirt look, but it's shorts. You gotta let me know. Because I'm very unsure. Okay. And then what I want to do next is I actually got in a pair of sneakers from, these are from Nordstrom actually, but they have these sneakers on the Revolve website. It doesn't look like they have this exact color combo, but I just figured I would open them up on here because they're definitely like Revolve vibe. So they are Adidas. If you guys have been following, you know I got the Sambas. And I really wanted to try the Gazelles. And I've really wanted a black pair of sneakers for a while. So here they are. I think the pair on the Revolve site, they have a ton of colors. The only difference is that the sole looks like it's more, like it's darker. Like it looks more of like a light brown versus, well, actually on the Nordstrom site, it looks white. And in real life, these are cream. So like, I don't know if the sites are just showing them differently or if that's what it is. Oh, they come with a black shoelace and a white shoelace, which is, I like that. I got these in an 8 because I went through the saga with the Sambas of not knowing what size to get. I ended, after getting 3 different pairs of them, I ended with the women's 8. So I was hoping that these are just going to fit similar. So we're going to grab a sock. I'm going to put on the left first because that's always the best one. Oh, I have a sock right in front of me. Ooh, I want to do like a higher sock though. Oh, Shay's here. I left the door open, so he made his way in. All right. I don't care about these being trendy, whatever. I like them. And I like wearing sneakers. I like being comfortable. And like, I want to wear the sneakers that are currently in style because frankly, you don't wear sneakers for years and years because they wear out if you actually wear them. So that's how I could justify, like, just go ahead and get the trends. Because like in 5 years, if you wear sneakers a lot, you really shouldn't be wearing them in 5 years. Okay, so if you guys were around with the whole Samba tongue thing, I gotta put them both on. They also might not look good like with this outfit at all. All through fall and winter, I kept wishing that I had a black pair of sneakers. And like, my Sambas are white with black. These are just like the inverse coloring. But it's like, I wanted sneakers that were mainly black. You know what I mean? These have a very interesting arch support. Like I'm feeling as I put them on. But I think size-wise, they're going to be perfect. Yeah, the 8s are perfect. The only thing weird about these is the arch support. I might see if I can like pull out the insert. It's weird. It's like pushing up on my arch, but like not in a good way. I don't know. I feel really silly in this outfit. I feel like a little school kid. Like I'm off to school. Oh my gosh. Okay, I really can't tell with the outfit, but I think I really like the sneakers. It's just the weird arch support I'm going to have to mess around with, but I feel like they're really cute. Girlies, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more hauls from Revolve, definitely let me know down below. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.